I'm Debbie Benuni, and I'm a patient of Dr. Stacey Francis, and I wanted to share with you a little bit about my experience. In January of 2022, I was invited to participate in a cleanse that Dr. Stacey was offering. I went into it as an experiment, kind of as just a new experience without many expectations. And when I started the cleanse, number one, I was overweight and was hoping to lose some weight. Number two, I had heartburn and was taking over-the-counter medication every day. I had low back pain, knee pain, hip pain, and above all, I suffer from migraines that I had had for almost 15 years and took injections and medications both to prevent headaches and then once headaches came on. I did the cleanse for 10 days and then had an optional additional 2 weeks. And with that cleanse, I lost 20 pounds. I no longer had heartburn and stopped taking that medication. My lower back had improved. My knees and hips were feeling better. And above all else, I stopped taking my migraine medication. My neurologist was very happy for me, yet very skeptical, and told me that I would be back in 3 months once everything was completely out of my system. As I mentioned, this was back in January of 2022. So now we're going on 2 years and I have not returned to that medication regimen. Additionally, I found that in the past year or so, I was having more difficulty losing weight and energy and things of that nature. And Dr. Stacey recommended I get some labs done, which I did, and found that I have high cholesterol, I'm insulin resistant, I now have Hashimoto's disease, and all of those things were inhibiting my progress in health. So I've just started on a new process in the last 2 months since those diagnoses came through, and I have to tell you, I'm already noting a difference, and it's all because Dr. Stacey cares, listens, and works diligently to find out what's at the base of all of your problems. I'm sure I'm missing a few things that have improved because when you're not in pain, you don't remember it. But I'm very grateful, and I think no matter what your issue is, if you see Dr. Stacey, you'll get results.